Okay, so 94% of people using AI writing tools are literally wasting their money. No cap. I just spent 3 weeks testing every single AI writing tool out there. And the results? Actually insane. The tools everyone's hyping up, they're not even in my top 3. And if you want more videos like this, hit subscribe. We post every week. Look, I've been in the AI game since 2023. I've burned through probably $2,000 testing these tools. And the honest truth? Most creators are sleeping on the real game changers. Here's what nobody tells you about AI writing tools. Everyone's obsessing over ChatGPT and Claude, but those aren't even writing tools. They're chatbots. The secret? The best AI writing tools in 2025 are the ones built specifically for writing. Not general AI, writing AI. There's a massive difference. I tested 23 different tools, wrote over 50,000 words, tracked conversion rates, measured engagement, and 3 tools absolutely destroyed the competition. But wait, the best part is coming up. First up, Jasper. Now I know what you're thinking. Jasper's been around forever, but here's the thing. Their 2025 update is low-key revolutionary. I wrote a sales page using Jasper's new brand voice feature. This thing learns your writing style from just 3 samples. The result? A 47% higher conversion rate than my human-written copy. That's not a typo. 47%. The crazy part? It took 12 minutes. My original version took 4 hours. The ROI is actually insane. At $39 per month, Jasper paid for itself in one project. If this is helpful so far, smash that like button. It really helps the channel. Next, Copy.ai. Everyone knows Copy.ai for basic stuff, but their workflows feature? Game changer. Nobody talks about this. I set up a workflow that takes one blog topic and creates the outline, intro, 5 sections, conclusion, meta description, and social posts, all in one click. Tested this for my client's blog. We went from publishing twice a week to daily posts. Traffic increased 340% in 2 months. The client's paying me $3,000 extra monthly now. Copy.ai costs $49. You do the math. Third tool, WriteSonic. This one hits different. Their Article Writer 5.0 is literally like having a professional copywriter on your team. I gave it one keyword, productivity apps. It researched competitors, analyzed top-ranking articles, and wrote a 2,500-word piece that ranked number 3 on Google in 6 weeks. 0 editing needed. The research feature alone saves me 2 hours per article. At $19 monthly for unlimited words, it's basically free money. Here's what nobody talks about. Let me show you the numbers that'll blow your mind. I ran the same project through all 3 tools. Writing a product launch email sequence. Jasper's sequence. 23% open rate, 8.4% click rate. Copy.ai's version, 19% open rate, 6.1% click rate. WriteSonic, 21% open rate, 7.2% click rate. For comparison, my best human-written sequence ever hit 18% open, 5.9% click. These AI tools literally outperformed my 5 years of copywriting experience. That's when I knew the game changed forever. So which one should you pick? Depends on your vibe. Jasper, if you want the highest quality and have budget flexibility. Copy.ai, if you need volume and workflows. WriteSonic, if you're just starting and want the best bang for your buck. Honest truth? I use all 3. Different tools for different jobs. But if I had to pick just one, WriteSonic. The value is unmatched in 2025. Look, these AI writing tools are about to explode. Early adopters always win. Don't be the person still writing everything manually, while others 10x their output. Drop a comment right now. Which of these 3 tools are you most excited to try? Jasper, Copy.ai, or WriteSonic? I read every single comment. And definitely subscribe, because next week I'm revealing the AI tool that's replacing entire marketing teams. You don't want to miss that. See you in the next one.